Let us discuss a problem on the chapter of multiple integration. In that subtopic is change the order of the integration and solve integral 0 to a integral x squared by a to 2a minus x. Function of xy is xy squared dy dx. In this, the first integration limits in x means that is the y variable. The second limits are x variable. Here from the integration, from the given integration, first we discuss about the limits. Y limits from x squared by a to 2a minus x. That is nothing but y equal to x squared by a and y equal to 2a minus x. And x limits from 0 to a. Now we can change the order means, so y in expressed in x means x can expressed in y and y can expressed in real values. First we can equate these two. From this x squared equal to ay, then x equal to root ay. And another line is y equal to 2a minus x. First we can construct the diagram from these two curves. One is x equal to, and first of all equate these two. Y, that is nothing but y equal to x squared by a and y equal to 2a minus x means from this both are y functions. So x squared by a equal to 2a minus x, and cross multiply x squared equal to 2a squared minus ax. Then get the quadratic equation x squared plus ax minus 2a squared equal to 0. Split into factors x squared plus 2ax minus ax minus 2a squared equal to 0. Why? Because it is the 2. 2 ones are 2. That plus 2 minus 1 is 1. Then first two terms x common, then x plus 2a. In the next two terms minus a common, x plus 2a equal to 0, then x equal to a and minus 2a. Now we can take the x and y limits. Here x values are, we can take minus 2a. Why? Because the values in the a expression minus 2a minus a 0 a 2a. Write in the y equal to x squared by a. Minus into minus plus 4a squared by a is 4a. A squared by a is a. 0 by a is 0. A squared by a is a. 4a squared by a is 4a. And another curve is x and y. Here x equal to the same values and y is the expression of 2a minus x. Minus 2a means 2a minus of minus plus, it is 4a, minus a means plus a, that is 3a. 0 means 2a minus 0, 2a. A means 2a minus a is a. 2a minus 2a is 0. Now we can draw the curve and where the curves are intersect. Okay. Here, this is the curve. We can take the x values minus 2a, minus a, 0, a, 2a, the values, y values, a, 2a, 3a, and 4a, the maximum value. Minus 2a means it is the plus 4a, this is the a, 0, a, and 4a. We can get the parabola equation. This is the y equal to x squared by a. From this, x squared equal to ay, x equal to root ay. The curve is x equal to root ay. Why? Because we change the variables of the order. Next straight line, it's a 4a. Next minus a 3a, 0 2a, it's a, it's a plus 2a. Then we get the curve. This is equal to y equal to actually 2a minus x. Then change of the variable x equal to 2a minus y is this curve equation. And here we observe this is the curve, this is a straight line. We take the strip at x equal to a. Okay, at x equal to, it's not x, it's y equal to a. Y equal to a is the parallel to x-axis. So the intersecting point is a comma a. Here 0 comma 2a. It is the origin 0 comma 0. And here it is the R1 region and it is R2 region. We can take it is A point, B point. This is C point. The curve OABO divided into two curves. One is OACO plus CABC. This is region 1. It is the region 2. Now we can discuss the limits. Limits means y equal to 0 to a. In OACO, the limits are y from 0 to a and x from 0 to the curve is root AY is the curve. This is the root AY is the curve, that is 0 to starts, 0 to upwards. Now, in CABC curve, the limits are y from, this is the, comes like this, y from, this is the y-axis, y from A to 2A, and x can carries A to 2A, from 2A to that strip. So x values 0 to 2 minus 2A minus y. Okay, these are the limits, and we can take the previous problem, the y2 minus y1 into x minus x1 equal to x2 minus x1 into y minus y1. From that also we get the curve equation, that is x equal to 2a minus y only. Okay. Now we can take the given integral, double integral x equal to 0 to a, y equal to x squared by a to 2a minus x, x y square dx dy equal to double integral OACO x y square dx dy plus double integral CABC x y square dx dy. Then we can take the limits. OACO, y limits from 0 to a, x limits from 0 to under root of ay, x y square dx dy plus y limits from a to 2a, x limits from 0 to 2a minus y, x y square dx dy. Now integrate. First, we can integrate with respect to x, y, because x expression in y variable. T is equal to y equal to 0 to a, x square by 2 limits from 0 to root ay y square dy plus integral y equal to a to 2a, x square by 2 limits from 0 to 2a minus y square dy equal to integral y equal to 0 to a root ay whole square by 2 minus 0 into y square dy plus integral y equal to a to 2a minus y whole square by 2 minus 0 into y square dy. It is equal to root square cancel 1 by 2. A is also right outside. Y into y square is integral y equal to 0 to a y cube dy plus, so 1 by 2 is taking outside, integral y equal to a to 2a A plus A minus B whole square, A square, 4A square minus 2AB, 2 2s are 4AY plus Y square into Y square dy. It is equal to A by 2, y to the power of 4 by 4, limits from 0 to A, plus 1 by 2, 4A square, y square integration is y cube by 3, minus 4A, y into y square, y cube integration is y to the power of 4 by 4, y square into y square, y to the power of 4, y to the power of 5 by 5 is the integration, limits from A to 2A. Now, upper limit and lower limit, A by 2 into A to the power of 4 by 4 minus 0 is 0, plus 1 by 2, 4A square into 2A whole power 3 means 8A cube by 3 minus A cube by 3, 4 cancel, minus A into 2 2s are 4 so 16, A to the power of 4 by 4 minus A to the power of 4 plus A to the power of 32, A to the power of 5 by 5 minus A to the power of 5 by 5. It is equal to A to the power of 5 by 8 plus 1 by 2. 7 4s are 28, A to the power of 5 by 3 minus 16 minus 1, 15, 15 A to the power of 5 plus 31 A to the power of 5 by 5. 5 3s are 15, A to the power of 5 by 8 plus 1 by 2. Taking LCM is the 15. 28 5s are 8 5s are 44, 140 A to the power of 5 minus 15 15s are 225. A to the power of 5 plus 31 3s are 93. 93 A to the power of 5 equal to A to the power of 5 by 8 plus 1 by 15 2s are 30 into here 93 minus 225 means 233. That is nothing but here 8 plus 8. 8 A to the power of 5 by, so it is outside. Next, 8 and 30 LCM, 2 4s, 2 15s. 15 4s are 60, 60 to 120, 120. 120 means here 15. 15 A to the power of 5 plus into 4, 8 4s are 32 A to the power of 5. It is equal to 47 A to the power of 5 by 120 is the answer.